Presenting the CII Foundation Women Exemplar Program 2015. The CII Foundation Women Exemplar Program, now in its 11th year, celebrates women empowerment at the community level by discovering, recognizing and supporting women achievers who have, against all odds, excelled and contributed significantly to the development of their community. Today, we recognize and celebrate the contributions of two such role models by conferring on them the CII Foundation Women Exemplar Award 2015. The award is called Exemplar because the talented awardees have set an example for others, igniting the spirit and the belief that they too can be empowered. Selected by an eminent panel of personalities from industry and social sector, the awardees were shortlisted from over 100 nominations received from grassroots NGOs across the country. We thank the Institute of Financial Management and Research for conducting due diligence and the jury members for final selection. We also thank the Bajaj Group for supporting this truly empowering initiative as the presenting partner of the CII Foundation Women Exemplar Program 2015. In the category of education, we confer the CII Foundation Women Exemplar Award 2015 on Ms. P. Thayamal for her outstanding contributions in the field of education in her village, Esa Vankulam in Toothukudi district, Tamil Nadu. Thayamal hails from a poor scheduled caste family from a backward village, where education, especially of a girl child, was neglected. She personally had to overcome many impediments and went on to complete her post-graduation in commerce. Thayamal took on the responsibility for ensuring that children in her village will receive education. In 2008, she started an Anganwadi center. She also identified children in her village who were not going to school and enrolled them in the nearby government school. Through her relentless efforts, she facilitated admission of over 250 children. Besides, she has also enabled more than 40 high school students to avail government schemes for continuing higher education. Thayamal continues to provide free coaching to nearly 400 students. Because of her efforts, children in and around her village who otherwise would have become laborers are today participating in district-level competitions and are aspiring for higher education. Thayamal is truly a change agent in her village and deserves praise for her commitment and excellent work. We congratulate her as a worthy woman exemplar in the field of education. We thank TVS Srinivasan Services Trust for encouraging her and nominating her for the award. In the category of health, we confer the CII Foundation Woman Exemplar Award 2015 on Ms. Pravasini Bangari. Pravasini has relentlessly worked towards making healthcare services accessible to the most vulnerable people in her community, especially undernourished and disabled children and pregnant women. Pravasini hails from Jamut village in district Bolangir of Odisha. Poor access to health services, high incidence of maternal and child mortality and morbidity in her village drove Pravasini to relentlessly work for the cause of child and women welfare. Difficult terrain, coupled with the fact that the nearest health facility was 70 to 80 kilometers away, necessitating extensive travel by foot, did not deter her spirits. She carried out door-to-door visits to identify women and children suffering from malnutrition and enabled them to access health and nutrition services. Through her relentless efforts, more than 200 children and 1,000 women have received various health and nutrition services and aid under the government programs. Pravasini also spearheaded campaigns to generate awareness and induce attitudinal change for healthy sanitation practices in 4 neighboring villages. This has led to more than 500 families availing subsidy for the construction of toilets in their homes and end the practice of open defecation. Pravasini's work and her efforts are well recognized by the community and government stakeholders. Acknowledging her efforts in improving health and sanitation standards in her village and neighboring villages, we recognize Pravasini as a true woman exemplar. We compliment Gramya Jyoti for supporting her and nominating her for the award. We congratulate Thayamal and Pravasini as the CII Foundation Women Exemplars 2015 and wish them all success in life. May they continue to inspire many others.